smash. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another episode. Today is just kind of be like a vlog episode. I'm not really going to do it like a DIY or any of that kind of stuff. So today I've got an 8th gen SI in here that we bought. It actually hit a deer and it's totaled. So we bought a sedan that's a shell that's in really good shape. So we're going to take this motor, this swap, and put it in the sedan and then sell the sedan. So just figure I'd bring you along while I pull this motor out. It's not really, like I said, it's not going to be a DIY, so I'm just going to throw on some time lapse while I'm pulling the swap out, and hopefully we can get it out and get this body back out of the shop and hopefully start parting it out. That's the goal. So several hours later now, I actually had to take a break and went to the store and did all that kind of stuff. Went and got some food for the family. But I got the swap out. It actually didn't probably take, I don't know, 45 minutes or so to get it out. And now, just got to get the coupe, or the sedan over here, and put the swap back in it. I gotta put the subframe and stuff back on this to where I can roll it out of the shop. And then, yeah, we're gonna take the wheels off of this because the sedan didn't come with any wheels. So we don't have any wheels for it. So we're gonna put the wheels off of the coupe onto the sedan, and then I guess part out this coupe. So if you know anybody looking for some 8th gen SI parts for a coupe, let me know. But yeah, maybe I'll pick up this video whenever we get back to it. Ooh, somebody's in trouble. Alright, so we're over at another buddy's house and we're picking up the sedan. We just had it camped out over here. This is a 2007 FA5, which is the sedan SI, but it's a shell because the people that had it before bought it and pulled the swap out of it. Alright, so we just got the FA5 over to the shop and we're about to start trying to put this swap in it. Guess I'm just gonna put the camera back on the time lapse and hopefully get some stuff knocked out on this thing. Alright, so essentially the motor is already installed. We still got to put the radiator in and some little stuff. Figured go ahead and throw a battery on it and see if it'll start. So the ECU was programmed for a K24, which this car had before, and we put a stock K20 back in it, so hopefully it'll be able to run. If not, we still have the ECU from the coupe, but it's not programmed to the key, so hopefully it'll start and run. We'll see. Alright, we had to hook another car to it, but the battery was dead. So anyways, we got the 8th Gen SI sedan running, and hopefully I can get the radiator and condenser and all that stuff back on it too here pretty soon. I guess the previous owner decided he needed to pull all that stuff, and I guess he pulled the motor from the top or something. I don't pull it from the top, I pull it from the bottom, and it saves me having to pull a lot of other stuff like the radiator and the condenser and battery tray and all that stuff that he had pulled. So I got all that. Well, I'll have to put all that stuff in maybe in a couple days. I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to this episode. Hopefully you'll stick around and enjoy some more of our content. And as always, I appreciate the likes, the comments, the subscribes, and also we do have some new merch coming. Well, I say new merch. It's this. Like, I got a few sweatshirts, and the t-shirts are now going to have this on them, like this style logo, and they'll be on the website live here pretty soon. So go on there and check that stuff out too. And as always, I appreciate the support. See you guys on the next one. Peace.